All right, welcome back. We are still on the monophthongs, that's the 12 pure vowels. And in our last class, we looked at vowel 3, which is, of course, the S sound. But this time around, you can see on the board yourself, we are looking at both vowel 4 and 5, which is A and R, respectively. A and R, respectively. All right? Yes, this is A short. Because it receives a colon. All right? So we have the varieties of spellings under this as usual. We have the single A or single A as we have it here. Then we have man. All right? Cap. Man. Cap. So by way of transcription now, I'll have me sound followed by the short R, which is like this, then this. Is it clear? All right. Me plus A plus ni will give you man. Don't forget to always put this slash. That's what will make it a sound. All right? Or phonetic transcription. Then we have cap here. Since it's like this, hope you've already known the sound K. All right? So it is like this. Cap followed by this short R. All right? Then you have this. That's cap transcription. Hope it's clear. All right? So that's that. Then we look at this. Both A and what? E together as what? A. So this word is plat and this word is plaid. You don't say you want to plait hair. You plait hair. You plait hair. So you would follow me and agree with me that if this word is plat, to transcribe will give us this. P plus li plus the A, all right, plus the T. This is what will give you plat. Then the plaid here will give you this, plus the li sound, plus the A sound, plus the D. Is it clear to us? So that's how it is. Now, we now look at the next word, which is rival. Rival. That means both E and E here, or E and E, respectively. You refer to them as what, or pronounce them as A. So it's rival, not reveal, all right, as some people would think. Then this UA here, both are taken together as A in guarantee. Guarantee, not guarantee, is guarantee. So by way of transcription, you can no longer say gua, all right, because the U there, the sound is not out. Hope that is clear to us. So that is the few examples we can take under the A sound, all right, which is the short A, as we find on the board here. Then we have a senior to this, all right, a longer pronunciation of A, which is R, as we find here, R. Then we have varieties of letters or spellings under this long A. And we have the single A. In this case, we have bath, bath, bath. So if you say bath and it is long A that is under it, you know how the transcription would come. Then you have the first one, B sound. All right, follow me up. Then you have this. All right. Then you have your TH coming this way. All right. Remember, I told you in our last video that TH that sounds T comes this way. So it is bath. Then verse. All right. Have to. All right. You can see all of them have been underlined. Then pass. All right. That's what will give you, this particular sound that we have here. Ah. Then we have the single, or rather the A and the U taken together. All right. Where we have laugh. Can you transcribe laugh now? How would you transcribe laugh? You want to transcribe laugh? What is the first sound you can hear there? Li, right? You can hear li sound. That's li sound. What's the next sound? A. And I've told you it is long A. So what do? You put this here. We give you this. What's the next sound you can hear? F sound. We give you this. So this is laugh. All right? If it is going to be laugh too, all right, you have something like this. Laugh. Then the next sound is T. Then you have the ER converted to schwa sound, which is this. That's going to be laugh too. All right? Then we have a case of AR coming together as long R. All right? So we have part, part, mart, part. So can you follow me now and, let's see how part is transcribed. We have P, All right, the long one, which is what? Then we have T. That's part. Okay, so that's that. Then we now have calm. All right, variety of spelling we have again now is AL, under which we have the following, which is calm, balm, psalm, and of course, palm. So by transcription now, the K sound here, first of all, come under calm, all right, followed by R, AL taken as R together will give us this sound, all right, and the last sound you hear is me sound, which is this. So calm has been transcribed already, okay? Then we have the next one as balm, which is this, all right, this. So that's that for the transcription of both calm and balm. And so do we transcribe Sam, respectively. If you want to transcribe Sam, you would agree with me that both P and S together, all right, they are pronounced as C sound. So you can't say the book of Psalm. So in that case, since it's the first sound that comes, you have this. Then the next sound that comes is the long R. So all you need to do is to add this plus this colon. Then what's the last sound? Me sound. We give you this. And that's the transcription of Psalm, the book of Psalm. All right? So that's that. And so do we have palm, respectively. If I want to transcribe palm, I have a case of this. What's the next sound? We give you this. All right? So that's for palm that we have at the end there. Then we have heart. Heart. EAR as another variety of letters or spellings falling under the R sound. Okay? So we have heart, not I have a good heart, not heart, but heart. All right? So in that case, EAR will be taken together as long R, as we find the pronunciation on the board. So by way of transcription, it will be very easy. What's the first sound you hear there? He sound, right? So it will first come like this. Then EAR taken together as R, and we have a long R as this, having a colon. So you have a case of this colon. What's the last sound we can hear there? T sound, just add it, and that's transcription of heart. All right? Then we have another variety of spellings, which is what? ER, that gives us clerk. Many persons do think that word is pronounced as clerk. There is no such pronunciation as what? Clerk. What we have is clerk, because the first sound there will give us K, clerk. All right? And the next sound is li, we give you this. Clerk, the next sound is A, and the ER there is this long A. So all you need to do is to add it. And the next sound you hear again is K, all right? So it will give you clerk. That's the transcription of clerk. As people think it is clerk, if you are saying it's clerk, it will give you this wrong transcription as this, all right? Plus this, and this. And there is no such transcription on earth. All right? So that's that. Then we now have the last word then, which is the the last variety of letters or spellings, giving us a guard, which is UAR. All right? You can't say guard, obviously. It is guard. So can you transcribe guard? If you can transcribe guard, then let's go together. What's the first sound you hear there? That's G sound. And I've told you this G sound, right? What's the next sound? It's A and UAR, taken together as A, and this is the phonetic symbol for it. All you need to do is to add this long A. Then what's the last sound? D, to give you this. Then put your slash. The sound is out already. That's that. So we've already looked at, vowel 4 and 5, so that in our next class, we continue with the rest vowels.